I just say that that's a really crappy bunch to put up there. Look, I love Thunderfoot in a purely Christian spiritual sense, right? But,
right.
Yeah.
Purely spiritual.
All right, let's go.
All right. So, well, if we're gonna have to do sock puppets, they need to.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Although you cannot see us, we are still here. This is an argument for God's existence. Here.
Maybe she goes here.
There you go. And we can put the microphone down here. Oh. Hey everybody! I'm a sock puppet. I'm a sweet sock puppet. Yep. I can't believe you talked me into doing this.
Yep.
Really?
Well, you wrote it.
Don't even try. Don't even try and put this on me.
Yep. Okay, let's start back.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Hey everyone, my name's P.Z. Myers, and I'm a famous biology professor at the University of Minnesota. I also run the biggest atheist blog in the world. It's called Three Stop Blogs, and I'm pretty much awesome. Not so fast, there, P.Z.
My name's Thunderfoot, and I'm a famous atheist YouTuber. Now that we're in the same room together, I've got some words for you.
Do you dare insult me, Thunderfoot? Do you realize that atheists wouldn't even exist without me? I'm so atheist that I'm atheist plus.
This has nothing to do with atheism, PZ, and you know it. This has to do with the fact that you can't get laid at conferences.
I find that insulting, Thunderfoot. You are nothing without me. Just ask Wikipedia. Celebrities have pages. YouTubers do not.
Listen, PZ, we have a lot in common. We're both men of science. We both dedicated our lives to the dream of a secular world. We both have beards. Instead of splitting the community over petty drama, can't we just set aside our differences and get along?
Yes, Thunderfoot. I agree with you. I've seen the error of my ways. Having so many midi-chlorians of atheism inside my body sometimes clouds my judgment. Can we make peace here today in honor of D.P.R. Jones and Doctors Without Borders?
Well, PZ Myers, I think making peace together is the only rational thing to do. Let's hug.
Let's do it, dude.
Oh, you hit me, you double-crossing bastard! Why have you slain me? Oh, Brutus, a plague on both your houses!
Things are not always what they appear, Thunderfoot.
Oh no! Thunderfoot is Rebecca Watson, the sketch chick! They're the same person! They've been the same person all along! No! No socks were injured in the making of that skit.
Yeah, that was quite the twist.
Did you guys see that twist ending coming?
I didn't see it coming.
Yeah. I don't think Thunderfoot saw it coming either.
Is he even watching us?
I don't know. Whatever. He's a busy man.
That's true.
You got a lot of hair to shampoo. Okay, so